Urgent, weather message, National Weather Service Huntsville AL, 1:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday, March 31, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin Al-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall-Jackson DeKalb Cullman Moore Lincoln Franklin TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cowan, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan, 1:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday, March 31, 2023. Wind advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Saturday, WAT, southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour, expected, where, all of northern Alabama and southern middle Tennessee, when, from 7 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. Impacts, gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions, use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle, secure outdoor objects, and